more banks are actually biting the dust. Credit Suisse is down all the way from $15 or 15 Swiss francs to less than one in the span of a bull run. Begs the question, where do you spend your money? Is there an alternative? Well, this video is not financial advice, but if you just sign up to Maxpread, and I'll be talking about it within the video, you'll be getting $10 from me, directly from me. I just deposited around of $1,100 in the first 10 people that sign up and comment their username at the in the comment section of this video. Will be getting some of this money. I'm planning out to give out more of this $1,100, so stay tuned. First of all, why am I interested in this project? Again, I have all the information, all the relevant information in the description, because I do believe you need to do your own due diligence to understand what is going on in this current market. But Maxpread Technologies' vision is to create a decentralized ecosystem for earning, safe, and anonymous storage of funds. Their goal is to provide these tools to Maxpread Technologies DAO, which will be included to at least 1 million users. This is pretty much, that's a big goal. 1 million users for a new project is insane. The cryptocurrency situation in the market, there's around 320 million wallets, and it's rising all the time. There's 1 trillion cryptocurrency market capitalization in the year 2021. Marked a new wave of interest in the cryptocurrency community. The disruption of logistical systems and complications of ways to conduct 5 financial transactions led to a systematic transitions of parts of the economy to the cryptocurrency sector. Basically, all of you guys know it's way easier to transfer money if you're buying something through cryptocurrency. Most of the time, and even through Maxpread's platform, it happens instantly without any issues, any questions, all decentralized, so you don't have to worry about some of the situation we had with banks. There's a lot of global economic problems that we're trying to fight with our crypto investments. High inflations, you have departures for private money, the worldwide introduction of CBDCs, and the solution is, one of the solutions might be Maxpread. And again, I'll have all links in the description down below. If you sign up and just post your username without depositing anything, the first 10 people that do that will get $10 from me. Cryptocurrency, the decentralized financial instruments, were conceived as a safe and anonymous way of storing funds and paying off each other, which is really, really good. When we go down, you have the Maxpread Technologies ecosystem is a completely product aimed at providing users with a secure, anonymous financial and digital tools. So the Maxpread Technologies ecosystem is based on the principle of decentralization, anonymity, security. All company products are focused on a safe storage, multiplications, and a use of assets by the user. Here are the Maxpread ecosystem. You have Agora, wallet, token, DX, DL, marketplace, payment gateway, NFT marketplace, metaverse, and a messenger. Basically everything you need to have in one place. So Agora is a partner company that provides Maxpread technology with unique and innovative developments in the fields of artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and high precision automated interbank trading. They actually have a history, so they're not just a new project. Yes, they have an event, which, by the way, you can join after you sign up. Maxpread Technologies official launch. There's 23 days to consider that. You can click join and you can get a ticket plus hotel, or ticket plus hotel plus flight. But their company history is right here. They have the 2014 start of development of the software. Agora 2015, 2016 start of joint training of the Agora Neuro engine, 2017 launch of Agora, 2020 launch of Maxpread Technologies arbitrage platform, 2022 official launch of Maxpread Technologies arbitrage platform for private investors. These are some of the things that they have planned. But how does arbitrage platform work. We've seen something like that, arbitrage trading in general, happening from Sam Bankman back in the days when he was actually making money. Before he having an exchange and so on. But you can basically delegate your assets to the platform and get a reward of 0.6 to 1% to 1.2% daily with the Maxpread technologies. I'll be joining with a plan, but you basically customer, arbitrage plan, platform, exchange operations, reward. This is it. They also have the wallets that's coming soon, the token, the DX, the market, but most of these things are coming soon, and they are included in their roadmap. So here is what I'm planning to do, right? I want to actually give out a little bit more money if there's interest. So even if more people comment their usernames, I can do that. What I can start with is I want to actually buy a $500 plan. 500 MUSD, here it is, arbitrage, here it is, main account, buy. I want to buy this plan. Congratulations, I got it. So now I have around $600 for free that I can give to users for signing up. So if you're interested, just comment down below. I can make a follow-up video. I can make more giveaways around the project. I basically have all these plans right here. Just got an email. That's very, very cool. I'm very happy with my decision. My daily income should be around $4, which is pretty insane. Wow. I think that maybe I should get the next plan. Okay, I got the next plan, $8 a day. So I should be making $240 per day with this plan. That's pretty cool. With just $1,000. So I'll be giving away $100, probably even more, because I'll be earning some money from the platform. But $100 for sure. Just comment the username that you signed up for with in the comment section down below. You don't have to deposit anything. Just do your own due diligence. Love you guys. See you next one. Bye.